Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make some zucchini tots, like zucchini in little mini muffin tins. And so we have fresh zucchini that came from my dad's garden. And so we have shredded, that's the leftovers. We have shredded one medium size, that's all that's left, because all we need is 2 cups. And that's about 2 cups. Now, mind you, once it kind of soaks down, the water comes out of it, it's going to get smaller. But that is about, that is about 2 cups. And you're going to want to go through it and pick out the little seeds. Let's see, they kind of look like that. Little seeds that came out of it. But anyway, so we're going to take about not a teaspoon, but actually I'll call it a zhizh. A little zhizh of salt. We use sea salt, and the salt is going to kind of mix in and bring out the water. And I've got it in got this in like a strainer so the water can come out into a different bowl. But anyway, so I've mixed it a little bit, and now I'm going to add a little bit more to the other side. Come out. Okay. Alrighty. So we're just going to kind of let that sit and work for about 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you how we're going to form them and make them. Okay? Oh, and while this is going, preheat your oven to 400. Okay? And maybe go ahead and grease your mini muffin tin. Alright. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in a few minutes. Hey, guys. Welcome back. So this is just to kind of recap what I've done. Is I've kind of got me an assembly line of stuff together. I'm going to show you in a minute. I got everything up as far as the zucchini and put it in a dish rag and wring it out, and that is the liquid that was in it. So now I'm going to get rid of the liquid, and I'm going to put the zucchini back in this bowl, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, so hang tight. Alrighty, so I have drained the water, put the zucchini in this bowl. This is, let's kind of recap what I got. I got half of an onion finely chopped. Well, that's what I call, sorry about the cord. Okay. It's half an onion. It says finely chopped, but it says half an onion finely chopped, but that's my finely chopped. I tried to grate it. It didn't work out. I got a cup of cheese. Shredded, sharp, works just great. Any, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Alright, so here I've got a tablespoon of coconut flour. I'm sure any kind of flour will be fine. We just use coconut. Then I've got a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I've got half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper. And I've got 2 eggs beaten over there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the coconut flour, and I'm going to kind of coat it on the zucchini. Okay, so now that's coated. Now we're going to take this egg. Now we've got that coated, I'm actually going to go in with the egg, put that in, and the onion, and all the rest of my seasonings, and my cheese, and we're going to mix it up, and I'll be right back to show you what that looks like. Alright, so this is what that kind of looks like. This could let you understand why your onion needs to be finely chopped, so it's not chunky like this, but I like onion. I don't know how baby daddy gonna feel about it, or baby, but I like an onion, so amen now. So anyway, and it's half a cup of onion. I personally liked more, so I did half of an onion. Again, the recipe is mostly like just half an onion. I mean half a cup of onion. So if it's 2 cups of zucchini, half a cup of onion, 1 cup of cheese, and then your seasonings and your 2 eggs, and your little bit of flour to kind of coat everything. Alright, so now I'm going to take, since I've only got one hand, I need both of them to do this. So I'm going to take and make them in little bitty balls, about an inch and a half. I'm trying to make it get about 3/4 of the way up. I'm going to fill up those things, and then I'll be back shortly. Alright, you delicious people. This is what it looks like before they're cooked. Again, make your onions finer than mine. I should have done a test run, but I did not. Because you know what? I'm just not that good. But anyway, I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. I'm going to check them. I'm just trying to see if the tops are going to get crispy brown. That's kind of what you're looking for. And then once they're done, I'll come back and show y'all what they look like. Alrighty, thanks. Bye for now, friends. So this is the finished look. I just took it out of the oven. Like you can almost hear it still sizzling. But just about a minute ago, I took it out and I sprinkled a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Like I put it in my hand and then I took it kind of like sprinkled it just kind of on top. Stuck it in the oven probably just for a minute, if that. Just to kind of get it up there. But look how pretty they look. Alrighty, well that is it. That is the finished product. I will let you know how they taste once they cool down. Okay, bye. They're so good. You taste a little bit of the onion, you taste a little bit of the garlic, a little bit of the paprika, and a little bit that there's some zucchini in there, but zucchini only really takes up the flavor of what you flavor it. So, it tastes good. They're so good. I'm going to have another one. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you like what you see, hit subscribe for me. Have a good one.